how to add payment method on TEMU. So to add payment method, firstly just open up TEMU. So open up TEMU and log into your TEMU account. And once you've logged into your TEMU account here, click on the U tab underneath. And from the U tab here, go to your settings, which is on your top right next to the support icon. There's a settings gear, tap on it. And this will take you to the settings page here. And from here, all you have to do is click on your payment methods page. And here, this is where you can add your payment methods. So you can simply click on add option here. And in this case, you can simply add your payment card, whatever that you want to use. Just plug those details, your card details and everything, and then hit on add your card. And once you've done that, this card will now be added to your payment methods here. So it will be listed here. And basically that's how you do it. It's a very simple and straightforward process.